Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to log in John Lewis Finance. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in John Lewis Finance. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the homepage of John Lewis website. Now on the top you can see login option with a human icon, click on it. Now here you have different options if you are logging through your partnership card or your home insurance or car insurance or investments or international payments. Here I am using partnership card. Now it will lead you to another tab. If you don't have an account, you can click on register and create a new account. And if you already have an account, click on login and type in your username. If you want the browser to save the information, you can click on this box and mark it as checked. And if you don't want to save the information, you can just leave it as it is. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this link and recover your username. Now click on next, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in John Lewis Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.